we're gonna quarter pitch a 194. And here's what we need. We got the quarter pitch sprocket. That came with some piston stopperage, but these things are fucking useless. We got the quarter pitch bar, and a couple chains and whatnot, and an impact wrench. So check it out.
No, not.
So we're gonna clean up everything in here, especially around the sprocket. We're also gonna delete this muffler shield right there, and we're gonna use an impact hopefully to get this sprocket off. If not, there's another way to do it. There's a couple ways to do that. And before we get started, we're also gonna take off the starter cover over here. Don't do that. Maybe it fell in my lap and I'm just squatting with it. 4 bolts on the starter cover. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it was squatting on it. Yeah.
Something to remember is this is reverse thread, so we're gonna go clockwise to get this undone. We're gonna see if this small impact will get it undone. Did I do it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Sweet. So here's the old sprocket, Pico. I'm not sure what size, doesn't really say. Yeah, I don't know what those numbers mean anyways. On this one, the quarter pitch, it does say 1/4 inch there. The difference between them, I'm pretty sure it's the teeth count and the teeth size. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the quarter pitch, and there's maybe 6 teeth on the other one, and there's a slight diameter difference. The quarter pitch is definitely smaller in diameter on the sprocket bit. Also, you want to be careful of this bearing in here, needle bearing. Don't lose any of the needles on it. Make sure everything's good. Typically there's a little plastic clutch piece that comes with some of these kits, but I think it'll fit anyways. I'm not sure if it really makes a difference. I do have that little plastic piece on my personal saw, and I can't tell the difference between another one. We have quarter pitch, so I don't think that really matters as much as you'd think. But yeah, we're gonna slap that on. Just lines up nice with this plastic piece here. Everything's all good. You can see in there. The lighting's kind of poopy. There we go. We'll put the clutch back on. I'm gonna spin it left. There you go. Typically you want to put some Loctite, some low grade Loctite, some blue. Put some blue on there, but it'll be all right. We'll get it on there, and we'll put some use to it, and then maybe pop it one more time if it gets loose, and put some Loctite on it. It shouldn't, though. It should be okay. There we go. On the other side. Can you spin that other side?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Kind of locks up right there, though.
That's the piston.
Okay. Yeah, piston. Okay.
There's still compression in there. We didn't take out the spark plug, so there's still going to be compression. Another way to do it is to take out the spark plug, shove this fucker in there, and then you take a scranch and pop pop this side. But I've broken these things off in the cylinders. It's not fun, it's stupid. Another way I've done it too is to take one saw tool, put it on this side, another saw tool on the starter side, and you still want to go righty loosey on this side, and it'll pop it off. The problem with that technique is putting it back on, getting it tight enough without breaking the bolt on this side, because when you're trying to tighten it back up, you could possibly break the bolt on this side, and it can be kind of complicated. I've done that a couple times, so it's worked out for me. You just got to be careful. Check it out. Put up the bar number here. This is a carving bar. They're around $50, I believe. Stihl makes a nice one. This is similar in size and shape to the Panther. This is a 14, yeah, 14. And here is some numbers on the sprocket, part number, size. Remember, this is 194. This will work on 193s as well.